Tech leaders from IBM, Meta, and others have warned us. Many jobs we know today will be replaced by AI. But that doesn't mean we should fear it. It means we need to prepare our kids to lead, create, and collaborate in a world powered by AI. At Generation AI, we believe in building more than technical skills. We nurture confidence, curiosity, and collaboration because those are traits that will never become obsolete. Ready to future-proof your child? Join us at Generation AI, where tomorrow's leaders start today. At Generation AI, we're doing more than just teaching kids how to code. We're shaping future leaders, collaborators, and innovators. Our programs are designed to spark creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving. From building AI-powered games to presenting tech ideas, kids learn to think big while working together and having fun.